In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Privacy. Now select Xclone over here and tap on one of those switches next to one of your recommended apps you wanna clone. Or click on Try More Apps and clone any of those. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, tap on the switcher and wait. Then go back to check out your cloned app. As you can see, my TikTok was successfully cloned. If you wish to get rid of this clone, you can hold it and uninstall it like you would any other app. Or go back to the same section in your settings and tap on the green switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!